Forget the Mac Studio. Seriously, forget everything you thought you knew about Apple's desktop strategy, because the latest leaks surrounding the M5 Mac Mini are starting to sound absolutely unbelievable. For years, Apple treated the Mac Mini like the quiet underdog of the lineup, a compact machine sitting in the shadows, while the Mac Studio and Mac Pro grabbed all the attention. But now, if the reports coming out of Cupertino are even remotely accurate, that entire hierarchy could be about to change. The information surfacing this week is so wild that many tech insiders are double-checking the details because it almost feels too ambitious to be real. Mark Gurman has hinted for months that Apple was preparing a major redesign internally, but the actual specifications being whispered through supply chains are on another level entirely. We are talking about a desktop computer barely larger than an Apple TV that could rival machines traditionally built for professional creators and developers. It sounds ridiculous, yet somehow incredibly believable considering Apple's track record with silicon. At the center of this tiny powerhouse sits the rumored M5 chip, and this is apparently far more than just another predictable yearly upgrade. According to reports circulating from DigiTimes and several semiconductor analysts, Apple may be introducing a completely reimagined chip architecture, often referred to as a fusion system. In simple terms, Apple is allegedly making communication between the CPU, GPU, and memory dramatically faster and more efficient than before. Traditional chips, even highly advanced ones, still encounter small delays as data moves between different components. Those delays may be tiny, but when multiplied millions of times every second, they matter. The M5 architecture reportedly reduces those bottlenecks to near invisibility by using an entirely new packaging method that allows massive amounts of information to move almost instantly across the chip. That means everyday performance could feel absurdly fast. Opening heavy applications, loading huge projects, switching between programs, or exporting media may happen so quickly that the computer feels almost predictive. What makes the rumors even more fascinating is Apple's supposed focus on artificial intelligence. Right now, most companies are aggressively pushing cloud-based AI systems that quietly depend on sending huge amounts of personal data to remote servers for processing. Apple appears determined to go in the opposite direction. According to reports from the ELEC, the M5 chip could fundamentally redesign how AI processing works by integrating neural acceleration directly into each graphics core, rather than relying on a separate engine sitting off to the side. That sounds technical, but the practical impact could be enormous. Video editors using Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere may see advanced features like subject tracking, background cleanup, voice isolation, and object recognition running smoothly in real time without overwhelming system performance. Instead of timelines freezing or effects causing frame drops, the computer could process everything locally with almost no delay. Then comes the biggest complaint Mac users have had for years: terrible baseline specs. Apple has long frustrated buyers by shipping entry-level systems with limited storage and barely enough memory to satisfy modern workflows. Many users felt forced into expensive upgrades just to get a comfortable experience, but that could finally be changing. Multiple industry sources, including Ross Young and Shrimpapple Pro, have suggested that Apple may raise the standard configuration dramatically for the M5 Mac Mini. Instead of starting with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, the base model could reportedly begin at 16 GB of unified memory, alongside a much more reasonable 512 GB SSD. That shift alone would instantly make the Mac Mini feel more future-proof and appealing to everyday users, students, creators, and even professionals looking for a compact workstation. Running dozens of browser tabs, productivity apps, streaming software, editing tools, and multitasking-heavy workflows would suddenly feel effortless rather than restrictive. And if the standard M5 sounds powerful, the rumored M5 Pro version enters completely different territory. Supply chain discussions highlighted by Mac Rumors suggest Apple may be preparing a Pro-tier chip with anywhere between 15 and 18 processor cores. Not long ago, That level of performance required massive desktop towers with loud cooling systems, huge power supplies, and industrial-sized cases. The idea that something small enough to sit quietly under a monitor could handle code compilation, advanced rendering, complex simulations, and demanding production tasks almost feels absurd. Yet Apple has already proven multiple times that efficiency can beat brute force. The graphics improvements may be just as dramatic. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has reported that Apple is aggressively investing in dedicated ray tracing hardware, a technology that dramatically improves realistic lighting and reflections in 3D environments. While gamers may not fully benefit from this immediately on macOS, creators working in Blender, Cinema 4D, and professional rendering software could see enormous improvements. Realistic lighting previews could happen instantly instead of taking precious time to calculate, dramatically speeding up creative workflows. Perhaps the most shocking rumor is that Apple may keep the same compact footprint despite all this extra power. Instead of becoming larger and noisier, leaked schematics suggest the Mac Mini could retain its tiny design, thanks to the M5 chip's extraordinary efficiency. A single quiet cooling system may be enough to maintain peak performance while remaining almost silent. No distracting fan noise during Zoom calls, podcast recordings, or editing sessions. Just raw performance hidden in an impossibly small box. If Apple prices this aggressively, the biggest victim may actually be the Mac Studio itself. Because if a tiny Mac Mini suddenly delivers workstation-class performance, advanced graphics, massive memory bandwidth, and whisper-quiet operation, many users may start wondering why they would ever spend significantly more on a larger desktop. Unless Apple has some secret ultra-powered chip waiting in the wings, the M5 Mac Mini could quietly become the most disruptive desktop Apple has ever built.